In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace site, a crucial step for anyone looking to optimize their website for Facebook advertising. Facebook Pixel is a small snippet of code that you can place on your website. It'll help you track conversions from Facebook ads, optimize your ads, build targeted audiences for future ads, and remarket to people who have already taken some kind of action on your website. To get started, you first need to navigate to your Squarespace home. Simply log into your account to access your site's dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll see various options laid out. From these options, find and click on Settings. Opening this will present you with a variety of settings that you can modify to better suit your website's needs. Now, from within the Settings menu, your next step is to click on Marketing. This option is crucial as it houses all the tools related to growing and analyzing the performance of your website through various integrated platforms. Clicking on Marketing will take you to several features designed to help you market your site efficiently. Next, within the Marketing section, you want to find and click on Meta Pixel and Ads. This is the area specifically designed for integrating your Facebook pixel. When you land on this page, you'll be prompted to enter your Pixel ID. The Pixel ID is a unique number assigned to you when you create a pixel through the Facebook Ads Manager. If you've already created a pixel, you can find this ID in your Facebook Ads Manager by going to Events Manager and selecting your pixel. When you have your Pixel ID ready, simply type it into the designated field. Make sure you enter this number accurately, as it's essential for establishing a successful connection between your website and Facebook. This ID serves as a bridge, sending the necessary data between your site and Facebook, so double-check for any mistakes. Once you've entered your Pixel ID, there's one final important step. You need to click on Save. Saving the changes ensures that your pixel is properly set up on your Squarespace site. If you skip this step, no data will be sent to Facebook. After saving, your setup is complete, and you're ready to start gathering important visitor data through your pixel. By following these steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to effectively add Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace site, allowing you to optimize ad performance and understand your audience better. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.